Hey there, welcome back. Let's edit a unicorn birthday invitation together. I picked this one from the stock templates and we're going to personalize it. First, let's shift the unicorn slightly to the left to make room for the location and RSVP details at the bottom. Then, we need to move the text and align it to the right. Here's a quick tip for you. Go to the toolbar, click on Align Objects, then select Right. And just like that, everything is nice and even. Now let's make this invite stand out. I'm adding a little phrase at the top. A special day is on the way. Let's change this font to Cookie, making it yellow for a fun pop of color. Change the name. This time I'll change it to Amelia and choose a different font. Let's go with Lobster too. Now we need to change the rest of the fonts to give it a cohesive look. Also, for the event details and join us to celebrate, we're switching from black to gray. Be sure to experiment with different things until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Your unicorn birthday invitation is ready to go. Play around with Templett and create your own unique designs in minutes.